Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the exact Siemens model so you know the battery type. Once confirmed, switch the thermostat to hold or display off to avoid accidental commands. Next, remove the front cover, usually by lifting or unclipping at the bottom. Use a flat tool only if snug. Make sure the battery compartment becomes visible and notice polarity markings. Keep the replacement batteries ready and static-free. Proceed now to gently extract the old cells to avoid bending contacts and to inspect for corrosion. You're now swapping cells. Pull the old batteries straight out while watching the polarity. If you see white or green residue, clean with a cotton swab and vinegar-dampened cloth, then dry. Insert fresh batteries in the same orientation, aligning plus and minus with the markings. Push them into place until the contacts sit flat, don't force. Once seated, retension any clips or springs. If the pack uses coin cells, use a fingernail or plastic tool to lever them in. Then close the cover carefully. After closing the thermostat cover, the unit should power up almost immediately. You may need to wait several seconds for the display to stabilize. Once on, confirm the clock, program schedules, and room temperature reading to ensure proper operation. If the display stays blank or settings are lost, reopen and recheck battery orientation and contact cleanliness. Corrosion or reversed cells are common culprits. If problems persist, test with another known good set of batteries or consult the manual for model-specific reset steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.